Hello, I'm going to introduce you Mathew MK61 mechanical keyboard, and you can see this is the box. And now we're going to open the box and see what we get in the box. This is the keyboard, and this is the menu. We have some accessories here. We have a keycap puller and switch puller, a small brush, Type-C cable, and a USB receiver. Now I'm going to show you the mechanical keyboard. This is a 3-mode mechanical keyboard with RGB backlight and 4 hot swap. I'm going to switch it on, and you can see now the RGB light is on and 4 hot swap. And this keyboard supports 3 pins or 5 pin switch. I can remove this cap and show you. As you can see, this is the switch socket. You can see it supports 3 pins or 5 pins, and we have a silicone pad inside for absorbing the noise. And this keyboard is with a steel plate, position plate, and 1800 milliamps battery. And the size is mini size. This keyboard supports 2.4G dongle and or wired connection or Bluetooth connection. And this keyboard is compatible with the Mac, Windows, iOS, or Android device. And you can connect with your device by press function and QWE for Bluetooth connection, and you can press function and R for USB connection, and we can press function and tap for switching RGB light effect, or we can press function and backspace. You can switch off the RGB. And this is the brief introduction for this MK61 mechanical keyboard.